Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by or seeing me, hi, I'm Janet and this is Lifestyle by Janet. In today's video, I'll be trying a new foundation for you guys to see. I've worn it a couple of times, so this is like a review of how it wears. That's about it. Let's get right into this video. So first things first, I got this foundation off the internet. I didn't try it out at a store first. I didn't really know what it was going to look like on me. It was just a guess and I think I came close. It's not my exact match, but I think I came really close for something that you ordered online. Right now I have nothing on my face. There's no makeup, no primer, nothing, not even a moisturizer. If I actually try out the foundation for you guys to see, I would give you a few details about it. This is the Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation. I'm going to read a couple details from their website. It says, Natural Finish Foundation. It's a water-based oil-free foundation that delivers 12-hour coverage and a natural second skin finish. It's vegan and cruelty-free. The skin type that this foundation is meant for is for normal or dry skin. It has some directions behind it and it says, apply to cleaned and primed skin with the liquid foundation brush or with fingertips and blend well. Layer product to desired coverage. Shake well before use. Alrighty, so shake, 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 shake. But before I apply it, let me apply a primer. I'll be using this AOA Studio Clean Slate Primer before I apply the foundation.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you. Okay,
so I didn't mention, but the shade I got for this Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation is G110. It said at the back to apply with the liquid foundation brush. However, I'll be applying half of my face with the foundation brush and the other half with the beauty sponge. So this is a swatch of the foundation at the back of my hand before I apply it to my face.
Me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me.
Before I continue this video, I forgot to mention this foundation retails for $42. I live in Nigeria, so that's about 18,000 naira. Yeah, I'm done with half of my face. This is without makeup, and then this I applied the foundation with the foundation brush. So makeup, no makeup, makeup, no makeup. You can see the difference, right? You can see that on this side it's actually covered up like all the hyperpigmentation, at least to a good extent, and this is just foundation. There's no powder on top or anything, no concealers or anything. Okay, so I'll apply the foundation on the other half of my face using a beauty sponge. Yeah,
begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to.
And the good thing about this foundation is like a little like goes a long way. I used I think about two pumps on this side, and this is like one pump I'm about to use on the other side.
Be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me.
To be honest, I think I prefer the finish with the brush. So I'm going to dump this beauty sponge right now and then just finish up the rest of the face with the foundation brush. I don't like the way the beauty sponge is looking. I don't like the application at all.
Give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in.
Yeah, so I think the foundation did a pretty good job at covering the hyperpigmentation on my face and the uneven skin tone. So this is my face with just the foundation like over my face. I haven't done my brows, I haven't concealed, I haven't contoured, nothing. This is just the foundation. You can see that the coverage is pretty good. I think I like that. I can actually step out like this, but because I'm me, I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my brows and this is what it looks like. Because this is not a makeup tutorial, I'm not going to conceal or anything. I'm just going to apply setting powder. I'm going to apply this benign setting powder. The shade is olive sand. I would apply the powder, setting powder all over my face, and I think I'll be done. So this is going to be like a review and a wear test. When I'm done applying the powder, I'll do a full day wear test, come back on camera, and then let you guys know how this foundation held up. But to be honest, I've worn the foundation before and it held up pretty good, but I just want you guys to see what it looks like at the end of the day.
So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know.
Alright, so I've applied the powder on the right side of my face. So this side has the benign powder like all over it, and this side doesn't. I hope you can tell the difference. You can tell that this side is a bit dewy and then this side is quite matte. So I'll apply the powder on the left side of my face right now.
I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too when the lights.
Alright, so the benign powder is all over my face now and you can see that everything looks well blended in. I think I'll end this video here. I'll just apply some lip gloss, step out, do a couple of things, and when I get back, I'll show you guys what the wear of this foundation looks like. Alright, I'll see you guys when I come back. Bye. I'm back. This is what the foundation looks like 7 hours after putting it on. The time now is a few minutes to 7. So I've been wearing this makeup since about 11:30 in the morning and it's a little over 7 hours now, and you can see my face is a bit oily. It's not too bad because I haven't blotted or anything. I haven't applied nothing. My face, it's quite oily, yes, but it's held up pretty well. It's not runny. You can't see like patches on my face. Let me try blotting now so you guys will see what it looks like. I'm going to dab the right side of my face for you to see. Yeah, so I've dabbed the right side of my face. You can see the makeup, the foundation is looking pretty good. This is the left side of my face, still looking oily. Let me just complete it. Yeah, voila. See, I look like I just applied the foundation. It looks pretty good, right? Yeah. So just put it out there. I didn't put on any mattifying primer or oil blockers just so that I could do this foundation wear for you guys to see. If I had put on an oil blocker or a mattifying primer, it wouldn't have appeared this oily. And in case you're wondering, I did this video because, as I said earlier, I bought this foundation online. I didn't test it out before I wore it on. However, I went to YouTube and I watched like lots of videos of people using the same shade or shades that are close to what I use. So I'm doing this video because I'm hoping it's going to help at least someone find their right shade or their right match in a foundation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, just click on that subscribe button and join the family. If you like this video, you found this video useful, also click that like button. It's a way of showing that, yeah, you appreciate what I do. Alright, so that's it for this video. I have a couple more foundation reviews coming up, so stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell to be aware of my new videos. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in.